Good morning, Year 1. This is your science lesson, and we're going to be looking again today at our 5 senses. So just before we start this lesson, let's get our brains working. Can you name all 5 senses? I'm going to give you a moment to do that, and then we'll go over it. So you can pause the video while you tell your adult. Okay, we've got hearing, we've got smell, we've got touch, we've got taste, and we've got sight. Did you get them all correct? Now, as you remember from last lesson, we looked at the things that we could hear, taste, smell, see and touch in our environment, and we filled out a sheet like this, or we made our own ways of recording. What we did try and do last lesson is use some adjectives to describe the different things that we could hear, smell, touch, see and taste. I wrote I can see colourful cards, for example, using the word colourful to describe the cards that I could see. What I'd like you to do for the start of this lesson is to put that into a bit of a poem. So I've written a title. First of all, yours will need a title. My Senses Poem. And I've written 2 lines for each part of the poem, but you can write one if you wish to. So I've started with, I can see the bright artificial lights, the colourful birthday cards. I can touch my favourite soft cushion and the cold wood floor. I can smell tangy oranges and the fragrant washing from the maiden. I can hear a noisy cat meowing, and I still can, and the boiler rumbling. I can taste the sour oranges and the sweet apples. So what you're going to do is finish off this sentence for each line of your poem. So you're going to say what you can see, what you can touch, and you're going to write the full sentence so that you get your very own poem. I can see. What could you see? I can touch. What can you touch? I can smell. What could you smell? I can hear. What could you hear? And I can taste. What could you taste? Don't forget to put those adjectives in. We've done lots of work on adjectives in our English lessons, so it'd be nice to see them in here as well. Okay, you've got a few minutes to do that. You can pause the video as you do that, and then we'll move on. So pause the video now. Okay, your new learning today is to be looking at taste and sound, and on this website here, which we have had a look at before, there are some experiments that you can do using taste and sound. My favourite are, you can make an eardrum, but you might not have the stuff at home to do that, but you could perhaps have a go. And also there's one about how saliva impacts your taste, which is also an interesting one to do. So what I'd like you to do is carry out the experiments and then write a sentence or record yourself talking about your results, so what you found out. I really look forward to seeing your poems and how you got on with this. If you could post it on Class Dojos, that would be fab. Thank you and see you later.